Let me also talk about one more stock that's in focus, and that's also among retail investors' radar quite a bit, and that's Suzlon Energy. Why am I talking about this stock is that there is a buzz that foreign institutional investors have steadily gone on to increase their stake in Suzlon, raising their holding from about 22.7% in the September quarter to all the way up to 23.7% in December. This is the highest FII ownership that we know in Suzlon in the last 4 quarters that we've seen. That reflects strengthening confidence among global institutional investors in the renewable energy player, given that FIIs typically follow a research-driven strategy and signals, and it definitely indicates that they may be positioning for future gains, even as the stock has been facing near-term volatility. Remember, Prashanth, we used to talk about a lot on Suzlon in the last 1.5, 2 years odd. The stock had shot up to 80 plus kind of levels, and it was on an everyday basis that retail investors were tracking the stock very closely. Last 6 months, of course, we've seen the stock underperform and slip below even 50 odd levels. But it's a foreign ownership that continues to, go up, and it's now at the highest point in the last 4 quarters. How would you look at Suzlon at this point?
Very optimistic. I think the reason to be very positive would be on the valuation side. I think currently after the fall from 74 52 week high to 48 rupees, I think with respect to all the valuation parameters, with respect to price to book valuation, ROCs, ROEs and all, PE and all, that is giving a lot of comfort level for an institutional investors to bet on this stock. I think long-term outlook remains very positive with respect to all the development which is happening in the wind space. I think the CapEx which are done by the larger private companies are doing great with respect to second H2 with respect to H2 CapEx. So that will bring a lot of business to Suzlon, and that can bring some kind of positivity in the earning growth as well. So after long consolidation, after long underperformance, I think at this point of time the price looks very attractive for me on the valuation point of time. So I am very much optimistic.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.